Hi, I'm Dave, and welcome to Carve Tools. Today I'm going to show you a demonstration of my Generac portable generator. If your house is total electric and you have experienced a power outage for days at a time, perhaps due to a tornado, a hurricane, or some other type of storm, then a generator might be right for you. This powerful generator pumps out 17,500 watts. I will no longer be left in the dark without power since I have this Generac generator. The food in the refrigerator will not spoil, and I will continue to have heat and air. Let's take a look here at the output panel of this generator. This is the one I use to connect my transfer switch, and I'll show you more about that toward the end of this video. Now, this output is 240 volts AC at 50 amps, and this is the circuit breaker for that output. This is a 12 volt DC output at 10 amps. This is a 120 volt AC 20 amp output, and here's another one that has a ground fault interrupt circuit. Here are two 120 volt AC 30 amp twist lock receptacles, and here is a 120 volt or 240 volt 30 amp twist lock receptacle. Each circuit has its own circuit breaker. Also, it has an hour meter and an idle control switch. This is the power cable that I plug into the transfer switch. Now, I've only run this generator for a total of 5.5 hours. This here is the Generac 992cc overhead valve industrial engine, and I think that's close to about 30 horsepower. This is a 500-pound portable generator on wheels, but it does have a lifting hook in case you happen to have a crane handy. It has a 16-gallon fuel tank, and the fuel gauge is on top. I will turn the fuel supply on. Pull the choke and crank the engine with the electric start and let it run for a few minutes. The idle control switch is set on so it will run at a slower speed until power is needed. Here I will turn the idle control off and let it run at normal speed. Here is the automotive type oil filter. It has an oil cooler and a pressure switch. This generator does not have a pull cord, so I keep the battery maintained with a trickle charger. Now here's the cable I plug into the transfer switch. You never want to connect the generator to your house electrical panel without using the transfer switch. With the transfer switch, it isolates electricity from the power company and your generator. Okay, now I will shut the fuel supply off and let it shut down on its own. Remember, never run your generator indoors. Outdoor only in a well-ventilated area. During the April 27, 2011 tornadoes, we lost power for 6 days, and shortly after that, I purchased this generator, and thankfully, we have not had an extended power outage since. Well, this wraps up the quick demo of my Generac 17,500 watt generator. If this has been helpful to you, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I'm Dave, this is Carve Tools. Don't be left in the dark. Have a great day.